Hi, in this video, we are going to see what an overall band score is and how it is calculated. Before that, we must know when a candidate appears for an IELTS test, which is the International English Language Testing System, he or she appears for 4 different modules. And that candidate gets scored individually in all those modules. Now, the score is in a range of 1 to 9 on a band score scale. When this score is individually given, then the overall band score is calculated. Now, the individual score can be in whole numbers like 4, 5, 6, 7, etc., or in halves like 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, etc. Now, you must have heard that a university has a certain requirement of a particular band score in the individual modules, whereas they have a different requirement for the overall band. We will see how that will be done and how is the overall band score actually calculated. Now, let us take an example. For example, a student has appeared for an exam and has got listening score as 7, the reading score is 5.5, speaking 6, and writing 5. Now, if you take out the average of those scores, which means you add or sum up all these scores and divide by 4, since we have 4 modules, then the average score comes out to be 6. That is the overall band score, simply the average of the given numbers in the individual modules. Then, for example now, if the candidate gets an overall score of 6.25, which is the middle figure of 6 and 6.5, then the band score gets upgraded to 6.5 and we round it off that way. If the candidate gets a score of, for example, 6.125, then the whole number, nearest whole number will be 6 and that will be the overall band score. If, for example, a candidate gets a score in the range of 5.875, then the overall band score gets to be 6, which is the nearest whole number or the whole half. So that is how you can calculate the average score. Simply that becomes the overall band score of the candidate. Thank you. That was all.